Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we discuss recipes not only on food but recipes on the way of life. So today what we're discussing is a bit different from what we've done in previous videos, but you guys are gonna like it, I promise. So the topic on today's video is how to pass your G1 driving test in Ontario for free the first time. So what I've done is I've actually made a whole study package for you guys that you guys can use with websites and to ensure that you guys succeed the first time that you try it. But you guys might be asking, how does it work? How do we know it works? Well, I've given this package to many people around the community. My friends, my mother, my sister, they all passed with this package. So let's get on with it. I'll show you all 3 websites that you guys need to pass free of charge.
So like I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing the study package that I used to get a 40 out of 40 on my first attempt. I practiced for about 2 weeks, and yeah, so I got a 40 out of 40. So these are the websites that I used, and I want to make sure that you guys nail it the first time you try to. So the first website I'll be sharing with you guys is Upna Toronto. So you just search this web link. All the links are going to be in the description below, so make sure you check those out. In this website, there are 5 practice tests. So 2 are for signs and 3 are for rules. So let's just go and see how a test looks. So this is pretty self-explanatory. There are some diagrams, and it asks you a question. You choose the one that is correct, and it tells you at the end how many you got right. So just do these a few times, and you'll succeed. The second website I used to study for my G1 was the G1.ca, equivalent to the G1 Genius app on the phone. I mentioned in the beginning that the websites that I'll be showing you are completely free. So in this one there are 2 different versions, so you have to take note of that. There is the free one, which has 4 tests in total, and then there's a premium, which has a hefty price. So if you don't want to pay too much, then just stick to the websites that I've shown you. So here there are 4 tests. Make sure you do the diagnostic test as well. And in these 3 tests, you'll be covering different topics. For example, the basics of driving in the first test, roundabouts, intersections, and driving on highways in the second test. And on the third test, some more fines and speed limits, etc. So make sure you do all of those, and I'll show you the third one. Now let's come to the third one. The third one has a lot of tests. So here you can see there are 21 tests with 3 modes each: easy, medium, hard. So let's keep this a secret between us. This is one of the best websites there is out there for the G1. And there's also a phone app for this. So I recommend using the website because the phone app also has a premium mode. And like we said, we want to keep things free. So if you want to keep things free, then this is the website. So this one here you can see Pass Mall. And like I said, all the links are going to be in the description, so check those out. And make sure you get as much practice as you can. Here there's 4 different sections in the beginning for some practice, and then you dive into the test right away. So like I said, I studied for 2 weeks, around 2 weeks, and I used these 3 websites, and I was good. 40 out of 40, my first attempt. So if you guys want to get a 40 out of 40, 100%, I recommend using these 3 websites. And yeah, just stick to your study plan and just stay dedicated, and you guys will succeed.
So this concludes the study package that I made for you guys with the 3 websites. They're all linked in the description below, like I mentioned before. Don't forget to share with your friends so they too can pass first time free of charge. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like so you guys can don't miss the updates for the future videos. Stay blessed and see you next time.